My name's Alfred Hamblin. So I got in this program called the Exceptional Care. I've been receiving care about 10 years. I just want to say thank you for my caregiver named Miss Erika. She helps me a lot, and I'm glad she took me to bowling so that I can meet my friends up there. Yeah, someone had a birthday. It was James' birthday. That's my friend, my best friend ever I had. Well, I got a couple roles that are good, and some of them end up in the gutter. I'll say Erika and Fredo. They both helped me a lot. If I didn't have Fredo and Erika, then I'd be bored, because I like somebody to come talk to me. I can talk to them. Yeah, the exceptional care is better, because I've been to the other program I didn't like. I get more support, you know.